we are going to start a new chapter called division. Division means the group of objects to be divided into equal parts. If here I have given 8 balls, you have to divide it into 4 equal parts. So you divided 2 in each. Here I have given 6 triangles, you divided 3 each. And here again 9 boxes I had given, and you have to divide it into equal parts. So you divided 3 each. So this is called simple division. Now the question is, divide 12 flowers equally in 4 children. So the bigger number is 12 and you have to divide it into 4 children. So in 4 table, when does 12 comes? 4 3s are 12. So then you have to minus 2 minus 2 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now this number which you write here is called a divisor. The number which we multiply with is called a quotient. This is called a dividend, and the remaining part is called a remainder. The next question, divide 15 laddus among 5 children. There are 15 and you have to divide it into 5 children. So 5 will be in divisor form. Now in 5 table, 15 comes 3 times. So 5 3s is 15. So 15 minus 15 will be 0. So 0 will be the remainder. This will be the dividend. This will be the divisor, and this is the quotient. Now the next one, divide 22 rupees equally among 5 people. How will you divide 22 rupees equally? Now see, 5 in table of 5, 22 doesn't come, but less than that number comes, that is 5 4s is 20. So 2 will be remaining. You will divide 4 into 5 people, 4 rupees into 5 people, and you will be remained by 2 rupees again. This is called division, and remainder, if it is remaining, let it be like that only. Now we'll do some sums. That is 36 divided by 9. So the bigger number is always inside, and 9 you will write here. 9 in table of 9, 36 comes 4 times. So 4s are 36, minus you will do 6 minus 6 0, 3 minus 3 0. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder. And always you need to write that quotient is equal to remainder is equal to. Quotient is 4 and remainder is 0. Again 42 divided by 7. So 42 inside, then 7. 7 6 are 42. So 0 0. Here also you are going to write quotient is equal to 6 and then remainder is equal to 0. So because of this division only you need to know all the tables. Now 8 8s will be the 64. Quotient will be 8 and remainder will be 0. Now let's come for next sum. 54 divided by 6. Now in 6 table 54 comes. 6 9s are 54. Again quotient is 9 and remainder is 0. Now 58 divided by 8. In 8 table 58 doesn't come, but in 8 table the lesser number comes, that is, see, you have to say the table of 8, and in that it comes 8 7s are 56. 8 minus 6 is 2 and 5 minus 5 is 0. So here quotient is 7 and remainder is 2. Now see here 49 divide by 6. In 6 table 49 doesn't come, but less than that comes. 6 za is 36, 6 7 za is 42, 6 8 za is 48. 8 za 48. 9 minus 8 will be 1 and here 0. Quotient is 8 and remainder is 1. Now in 5 table 47 doesn't come, but 5 9 za is 45. So 7 minus 5 will be 2 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So quotient is 9 and remainder will be 2. I think you all understood what is division and how to do the sums.